Oftentimes in hoodoo, people are looking for different recipes or what you call spells and things and how you make things work. And here today, we're in Zechariah chapter 9, verse 17, and also 10, verse 1. And here go two simple recipes that someone could use. The first recipe that's in Zechariah 9:17 is how to make men and women cheerful. It says, for how great is his goodness and how great is his beauty. Corn shall make the young men cheerful and new wine the maid. So right there, you give a man corn, make him cheerful, give the women wine. But a lot of people overlook these things that you see inside the scriptures. Um, then here go another. A lot of people have gardens and so forth. And a lot of times they might not be getting rain and so forth. Well, there go another recipe in Zechariah 10, verse 1. He said, ask ye of the Lord, rain in the time of the latter rain. So the Lord shall make bright clouds and give them showers of rain to every one grass in the field. So right there, you got two beautiful recipes that people will slow down when they're reading the Bible, that all you have to do, want to make a man cheerful, give him corn. Want to make the woman cheerful, give her some wine. And then if you want some rain and so forth to come in your garden, then ask God of it.